Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the lawnmower. There we go. Lola is there supervising. I'm funny. So, obviously, this is like the best seat in the world. Um, it keeps out water. It doesn't like pinch your butt when you're mowing. All that wonderful stuff. And yes, they sell replacements. And yes, I could buy one and just put it on there. I could just peel off the back and probably glue something over it. Instead, my buddy Levi hooked me up again and gave me that, which is out of an ambulance. So, I am going to get this stuff off of here, the mount. I'm going to get that seat off, and that is going to go on there, one way or another. I'm not sure how. I'm not sure when. But we're going to try. So, we'll see how it goes. I have to just pull this seat off. You can't really see. I got to get the seat off. There's a metal base here, so I'm going to try and use that. And then we'll see if this bar's got to come off, which is pretty much pointless. But that's the story, and away we go. Thanks for coming out, guys. Hope you have fun. Enjoy. Hey, welcome back. First step is getting the old seat off. It's just 2 bolts on the hinge. Just going to bust that out, and then we'll see where we go. And it's a Craftsman, so of course it's not metric. Okie dokie. So one seat. Now I got to figure out how to get these plastic things. Looks like you just slide it forward. So I'm gonna wander away here and get this mount off so I can use this. All right, it's that easy. It slides off. So that we don't need. This is the plate. I'm going to bust the bolts off the bracket on the other one, and we'll see how things line up. Okay, so there's my the mount that came off. It's supposed to go on a post, sit, and we'll put that in the to-do pile, maybe pile, the what-if pile. Alright, so my mounting points, none of them line up on this plate, which is what goes to the tractor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of plywood and bolt the seats to the plywood and then the plywood to this. And it'll give me a little spacer and it'll give me the mounting points I need. So I gotta go find that. I'll be right back. Alright, well I don't like it, but I gotta use this. I don't have anything else, so we'll try it. To my precision cutting and measuring. Alright, so you're not really going to be able to see this, but I'm going to put the board on the thing and trace where the bolt holes are. So I need to, because I need to know where the bolt holes are. Again, super precision measurements. I mean, we are talking NASA grade measuring here. But yeah, let's try it. 4 marks. We gotta drill some holes. Alrighty, so yeah, you can see that. So holes, I'm going to screw these down, bolt those down. Take this, drop it in the middle, and then attach it to the plywood, and then drop it on the machine. We'll see. Alright, I take that back. Before I bolt this down, I'm going to throw some paint on it. It'll help it a little bit to stay, well, kind of not falling apart, but maybe it'll last me 2 years, over a year and a half. Alright, painted. I'm going to bolt that back down, and we'll figure out attaching it to the mount plate. Alright, so the screws I picked out were quite long enough. I just got the same kind of screw, but with a big washer on the back end. These should bite, they're a little longer. Alright, that was a fail. The bolt's ripped out. Okay. Are you still there? Alright, I'm going with like 1.5 inches. There's nothing on the bottom of this seat, and hopefully these won't tear out. Oh yeah! Alright, I'm going to clean up here for a second, clean up a chair, and then I will show you the results. But there's my crazy chair. Yeah, hold on. Alrighty, so there we go. It actually, it's ridiculous, but hey, it works, and it's not that much taller than before. I mean, I'm freaking 6'4", so everything's small on me. Let me show you. So you can see chair rails bolted to the plywood. Then the plywood's got the big old wood screws in it. I took out this back bar. Yeah, it's safety, whatever. So the plywood sits right down, and yeah, I just got to remember to tighten up the hinge bolts, and we are all good. But How's that for a ridiculous chair on a lawnmower? Oh, I am cool. Hey, thanks for coming out, guys. And again, Levi, thanks for the chair. Turned out really sweet. All right, all. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And we'll catch you soon. Got a bunch of stuff coming. Stay tuned.